Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
That show different examples.
Yes, sir.
But basically, this is what it is. On the miniature sampling point, it has like a 3/8 threaded shaft on it. Are you familiar with that?
I am.
So what people have done out in the field, they will add a coupler to that a thread to extend that shaft, let's say another 3 inches or 5 inches. And so they'll drill a hole in the hard cap ceiling that the diameter is big enough to slide the sampling point into it, but also big enough where the coupler will slide into the hole as well. So all you're really doing is just extending the 2-inch shaft that's on there that's threaded by adding a coupler to it, and then adding another piece of threaded, another piece of all thread to it that is hollow.
Absolutely. That makes perfect sense. May I send you an email that you can reply to with the PDF examples?
You know what? I would say yes, but I'm off today and I'm traveling. I don't have my laptop, my work laptop. But
Monday's soon enough.
Oh, yeah, definitely. If you can wait till Monday, I'll be more than happy to forward that over to you.
Okay.
And let me give you my email address.
Yes, sir.
It's going to be R as in Robert.
Architectural Builder Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.